name is Zach Hogan with Additive America. Happy Wednesday to you. Welcome back. It's 2023. Yesterday was my favorite day of the year. It always is. The first day when everybody comes back from the holidays and reality sets in and you've got nothing to do but show up at work every single day until Memorial Day because there's no more vacation days until then. Yes! Woo! Just want to check in with you right here. We started out the year, we had a call from one of our clients. We buzzed down to his spot just yesterday, and he had a little obsolete part he needed for his assembly line. I guess it's for some carts or some wheels or some rollers or some whatever, but you know how it is at Additive America. We don't really care what the part necessarily goes to. We just want to help you get more of those parts in your hands. So we rolled over about 11 o'clock. We picked up the part file, or the part, because there is no part file. Granted, some reverse engineering on that here during the day yesterday, and then we're recording this yesterday. And this video right now is going to show you, he's already got the part. It's not even 3 o'clock, so less than 3 hours. Part is reverse engineered and
so this is kind of what we started
printing
with, and then there we go.
So again, you might be asking yourself, Zach, you guys are the HP guys. What is that Markforged machine doing right there? Well, we were so lucky and blessed to have won this Markforged machine at AMUG in 2021 that we've kind of been using it for small projects in-house and for instances like right now where we could fire up the HP machine, but we really just need one part and we just want to, that's all we need. And, you know, it'd be really cool if we could check that part before we leave today, and then if we need to make any changes, we can make changes and then run another one overnight. So that's kind of what we've been using the Markforged machine for. And also, did you know, a little DYK, the Onyx material in the AMT Post Pro 3D, pretty cool smoothing. So in terms of part smoothing, I mean, can't see the line, can you, Russ? Is kind of one of those deals that you kind of get with the Onyx material with the AMT Post Pro 3D. So if you didn't know that, now you know. You never know what you might learn checking in here at Additive America. But anywho, just want to check in with you and welcome you to 2023 and remind you that, hey, we work on all sorts of these special little projects just like normal service bureaus. So you don't have to be O&P or orthotics and prosthetics specific. To be quite honest, we kind of hope that you aren't because you already have a budget for printed parts. Woo! And we want to work with you. Anyway, welcome to 2023. Hope you're having a fantastic kickoff to the year. And we'll chat with you soon. Thanks. Bye.